The factional chairman of the Labour Party, Lamidi Apapa, was booed out of the courtroom by the supporters of the Abures faction at the ongoing presidential election petition tribunal. Apapa was being bundled out by court security after he was seen challenging some elders of the party over their presence at the proceeding. Some quarters were heard chanting "thief" as he was being escorted out of the premises. House Majority Whip Issa Doguwa has officially stepped down his ambition for the speakership position. The Kano Strong will from now support Tajuddin Abbas from Zaria constituency. Presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, has decried the level of impersonators cloning his voice and calling other politicians. The former governor encouraged politicians to stop using his image in bad light. Who is the authentic chairman of the Labour Party?